Welcome back, YouTube. What is going on? I'm back today with another video for you guys, and it is a DIY video on how to get your nails looking nice and good, but on a budget. I know at the nail salon it gets expensive if you want to go every 2 weeks, if you go every week, however many times a month you guys go, I know it gets expensive. So I am here to help you guys and show you guys a cheaper way to get your nails looking good. Okay, so if you're interested to see how I get my ragged nails to look nice, please stay tuned because I'm gonna get right into this video. So first I start with freshly washed hands. Then I go in with nail polish remover and a cotton ball to get rid of all the extra excess oil off of my fingers. Then you're going to need a nail file, nail clipper, and another type of nail file to smooth out your nails. First, you're going to cut your nails, file, and then smooth them out. So I'll be using Kiss Nails. It is a 100 pack and it was only $5.37 from Walmart. Then the next item that I will be using is Sally Hansen nail polish. I wanted a fall color, so I got this one, and that was only $174 from Walmart. And my top coat is from Dollar Tree, so that was only $1. After, I like to go in and file lightly on the top of my nail so that the glue and nail has something to stick to, so it's a little rough, and this actually helps the nail to stay on longer. So this pack of nails comes with glue already, so you don't have to worry about going out to buy glue separately, which is also a good thing. And also, these nails come numbered, so once you start sizing your fingernails, it'll be a lot easier to find the same nail for the same finger on the other hand. I tried to show you here in the camera, but the number is really, really small, so you won't know what I'm talking about until you see the nail itself. So it is time to start sizing your fingernails to find which nail fits the best. And I like to push back my cuticle with the nail so that once I put the glue on, it fits more naturally. So it is time to start gluing. When I glue, I like to put glue on my fingernail and on the nail itself so that it holds a little bit stronger and a little bit longer. And when putting on the nail, I try to get as close to the cuticle as possible so that it doesn't pop off, and again, so that it looks more natural. And after you put the glue on, all you have to do is push down on the nail and hold it for a couple seconds so that it stays on. So after all the nails are glued on, it is time to start filing to the shape that you like wearing. I was going for a coffin square look, but unfortunately I filed one of my nails the wrong way. So I ended up curving my nails in the end, but you know, it's up to you however you want to file your nails. So here are my nails after I filed them. And now I just like to go in with the small file that I showed you earlier and just smooth out around the nails and get anything that's left over or that needs to be fixed. Finally, the best part, the polish, and again, I went in with a fall color. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave comments below. And if you haven't yet, please go and subscribe to my channel below so that you know whenever I upload a new video. And until next time, I thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.